Alright, Algebra 1 students, we're going to do some rewriting radicals as exponents. So this is going to transition us from exponents into the radicals part of our chapter, and this is page 19. Real quick, make sure that you're doing these fun pages. It's just something short that we like to read as teachers just to kind of get you know you better, and it shouldn't take you more than 30 seconds. So this little box at the top is everything that you need for this first page. You can see that we have x as our base. That stays the same, and that's a radical. Okay. We also call that a root sometimes. It's the opposite of an exponent. Just like adding and subtracting are opposite and multiplying and dividing are opposites, roots and exponents are opposites as well. So you can see that a is an exponent and b is the type of root that we have. So that turns into a fractional exponent. So what we get over here, we have x, that stays the same, and our fractional exponent is 4/3. Okay, so number 2. We have our base x, and we raise it to the exponent over the radical 2/8. Now, can I simplify that? Absolutely. I could divide both of those numerator and denominators by 2 to get x to the 1/4. Then I have y. Okay, well, y doesn't have an exponent right now, so what do we call that? It's y to the first. We know that. So this is y to the 1/3. Okay. On number 4, it's missing the note. The note should be up there, actually. If there's no number in the upper left part of the radical, so right here, it is the square root. Right? So if there's no number up here on that radical, we know it's a square root. Okay, those are the roots that you guys have dealt with before. So a is raised to the first power, and this is a square root, so this is a to the 1/2. Square root is the same thing as 1/2 power. Number 5, this is x to the 3. Well, there's nothing there, so we know it's a square root. 3/2, 3/2. Now the difference in this one is that 4 and g are both raised to the first power, and this is a square root. So what I could say is that both 4 and g are raised to the first, and that's square root, so I could say 4g both are raised to the 1/2 power. Or I could have said 4 to the 1/2 power times g to the 1/2 power. They mean the same thing in this case, right? Because we could distribute that exponent. And then lastly, this last one, 2m, this is going to be 2m to the 1/5. Or if you saw it the other way, we could say 2 to the 1/5 times m to the 1/5. Both the same thing. Alright, that day was pretty easy. Get that part of the assignment done real quick. Shouldn't take you very long at all.